How to clear browser history on iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to clear browser history on iPad. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the browser. I'm opening Safari right now, and over here just click on the menu icon from the left hand side of the screen, and you have a bunch of different options. Just simply click on the history option from the saved menu, and over here you have all these different browsing history that you have created while searching or browsing things on your iPad. So if you want to delete individual browsing history from this particular browser, just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the history section on the menu itself, and after that just simply click on select website, and now you can go ahead and select individual website that you would want to delete from the browsing history, and click on this bin icon and you will be able to delete it. And if you want to delete multiple website at once, just simply click on this particular three dot menu icon again and click on clear. And over here now you can select different time frame from which you want to clear the browsing history. For example, let's say last hour, today, tomorrow, and today and yesterday. Or if you want to clear all the history, you can select that option as well and click on clear history, and that's how you will be able to clear browser history on iPad. I hope you find this video to be helpful.